Did you know broccoli has incredible health benefits that could revolutionize your diet? This humble green veggie is a treasure trove of nutrients, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's not just about nutrients, though. Broccoli also boasts potential cancer-fighting properties and can be a boon for your digestion. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. In this guide, we're going to delve deeper into these benefits and more. So, stick around to uncover the health secrets this green powerhouse holds. Broccoli is a nutritional goldmine. Let's delve into its rich profile. Packed with a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this humble green veggie is a powerhouse of health benefits. Starting with vitamins, broccoli is exceptionally high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that aids in boosting our immune system. It's also rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Moving on to minerals, broccoli boasts an impressive amount of iron. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells and the transportation of oxygen in our body. Furthermore, it contains plenty of potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. But that's not all. Broccoli is a fantastic source of fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system and contributing to feelings of fullness, which can help manage weight. And speaking of weight, broccoli is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. Also, let's not overlook the antioxidants in broccoli. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, thus reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, whether you're a health enthusiast or someone simply looking for a nutritious addition to your meals, broccoli offers a multitude of benefits. Clearly, broccoli is more than just a green veggie, it's a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Beyond its nutritional content, broccoli also packs a punch when it comes to preventing diseases. When we delve into the research, we find that regular consumption of broccoli is linked to lower rates of certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that the sulforaphane found in broccoli can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the lungs and colon. It's like a secret superhero, stealthily fighting off the bad guys. But that's not all. Broccoli is also a heart-healthy food. The potassium, folate, and antioxidants it contains contribute to cardiovascular health, helping to regulate blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. Picture it as a maintenance crew, keeping your heart's machinery running smoothly. Now let's talk about digestion. Broccoli is rich in fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It helps keep things moving along, if you catch my drift. Plus, the sulforaphane in broccoli also protects the stomach lining and reduces the risk of gastric issues. And let's not forget the role of broccoli in boosting our immune health. The antioxidants in this green gem, including vitamin C, help fight off harmful free radicals. Think of it as your body's defense system, always on guard, ready to protect you. So, you see, when you're munching on that crisp green floret, you're not just enjoying a tasty veggie. You're also arming your body with a potent weapon in the fight against diseases. With broccoli on your plate, you're not just eating, you're arming your body against diseases. Armed with this knowledge, you might be wondering, how can I get more broccoli into my diet? Well, fear not, because incorporating this green powerhouse into your meals can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Firstly, consider adding broccoli to your salads. Its crunchy texture and mild flavor complement a variety of ingredients, from sweet fruits to tangy vinaigrettes. Secondly, stir-fries are another great way to sneak in some broccoli. Paired with lean proteins and a dash of your favorite sauce, it's a tasty and healthful addition. But it doesn't stop there. Broccoli also shines as a side dish. Roasted in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of your favorite spices for a simple yet satisfying accompaniment to any main course. Remember though, while broccoli is a nutritional superstar, it's also important to eat a variety of vegetables to ensure a balanced diet. With a little creativity, broccoli can become a delicious staple in your diet. In the world of health and nutrition, broccoli truly stands out as a champion. This humble green vegetable, packed with nutrients, aids in preventing a myriad of diseases and can be incorporated into your meals with ease. Whether you steam it, roast it, or toss it in a salad, broccoli never fails to boost your health. It's high time that we all recognize and utilize the power of broccoli. Ready to harness the power of broccoli? Subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description for more enlightening health tips.